Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can power off the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. And I think you've realized it already. If you're long pressing here the power button, you wake up Gemini with, so the Google Assistant. But how to power off the phone? For that you need next to the power button as well the volume down button. Long press now these both buttons together and then you're finally at the power off menu. Just confirm a power off and again a power off and the phone will shut down. There's a second way to power off the phone. For that, just scroll down here below the battery symbol so that you're in the control center, and the part of the control center is always the symbol to power off the phone. Just tap here so that we are at the power off menu again, confirm twice and power off, and the phone will turn off. But there's a way to set up here the power button or the side button, as Samsung has renamed it, as a real power button. Let me show you how this works. So just scroll down here below the battery symbol, tap down here on the symbol for the settings. Scroll down now to the point Advanced Features and you will find the point Side button. And you could choose what should happen if you long press this side button. Actually, we are waking up the digital assistant, so Google Gemini right now. But in the future, we want to have the power menu. Just tap here. And that means whenever you long press now the power button, you're immediately at the power menu. Just confirm a power off and again a power off and the phone will turn off. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.